So you're thinking about creating a Discord server for your YouTube channel, for your friends, or maybe even for school, but you're unsure how to get started with Discord. Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of building a well-organized, professional-looking Discord server. I'll also show you how to add bots to automate things so you don't have to do everything manually. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Usman, also known as Quick Method, and I create a variety of gaming content as well as tutorial videos like this one. If you find this video helpful or enjoyable, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Also, if you want to check out my Twitch, where I stream live, the link is in the description below. Back in 2018, I posted a tutorial on creating a Discord server, and while the video quality wasn't great, it ended up blowing up and getting a lot of views. I made another updated version in 2019, which also did well, even though it wasn't perfect. Now, with better production quality and a much better understanding of Discord, I'm here to show you how to create the perfect server for your needs. Whether it's for YouTube, gaming, school, or just hanging out with friends, let's get started. To begin, we're going to model this server after the one I've created for my community. My server has been running for about 2 years now, with a few thousand members, so we'll use that as a reference. Start by heading to the left side of your screen and clicking on Add a Server, then choose Create a Server and give it a name. For example, let's call this one YouTube Test Server. If you want, you can set an icon for the server now, or you can come back and do that later. Once you're ready, click Create and your server will automatically be made. You'll have the option to invite friends if you want to, but you can skip that for now. Once the server is created, you'll see a welcome message in your new server. You'll also see a general text channel and a voice channel by default. Let's start by adding more channels. Click the plus button to create a new text channel, and let's set up a few basic channels like a welcome channel, an announcements channel, a rules channel. Next, we'll add a few moderator and admin-specific channels. Let's create a moderators channel and an admin channel for your server admins to manage everything. If you're creating a community for YouTube, you might want to add a videos channel to share your content, a live stream channel for streaming events, and maybe even a memes channel because who doesn't love memes? Now we have some decent text channels set up, but don't forget to create some voice channels too. For example, you can create a game chat channel where people can join to play games together. Add a few of these like Game Chat 1, Game Chat 2, and Game Chat 3. Also, let's create a music channel since we'll be adding a music bot later. This will be the place for people to listen to music together. Now, let's organize these channels by categories so everything looks neat. Right-click in an empty space and select Create Category. We'll start by making a welcome category and move all the related channels, like welcome and rules, under it. Now that we have the basic structure, let's add some flair. You can make your server visually more appealing by adding emojis to the channels. This gives your server some personality and makes it more engaging for newcomers. To add an emoji, go to the channel settings and click the settings icon. From there, you can change the channel name and open the emoji keyboard by pressing Windows +# on a PC. You can browse through emojis and choose the ones that best represent the channel's purpose. For example, for a general chat channel, you could pick a speech bubble emoji. Once you're happy with the emoji, save your changes. You can add emojis to all your channels this way. It adds a nice touch and helps your server stand out. Alright, now let's move on to setting up roles. This is where things get more customizable. Roles are important because they help organize your server members and give them different permissions. For this tutorial, we'll set up a few basic roles like a member role, a moderator role, and an admin role. To do this, go to your server settings and click on Roles. Click the plus sign to add a new role. Start with the member role. You can pick a custom color for the role, like an aqua blue. Then make sure to enable the setting display role members separately from online members so the role stands out. Now, let's move on to the moderator role. I like to use a purple color for moderators. Make sure to set the permissions carefully. Moderators should have the ability to manage messages, kick, ban members, and mute, deafen members in voice channels if needed. You can fine-tune these settings based on your needs. Finally, we'll create the admin role. Admins get all permissions, including the ability to manage server settings and manage bots. They should also be above the moderator role in the list of roles, so they have the highest level of control. Alright guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into setting up your own Discord server. This tutorial is for everyone looking to create a fully functional server with the right permissions and bots to enhance the experience for your community. Let's get into it. First things first, when you set up your server, you want to make sure that your admin and moderator rooms are private. This way, only the people you trust have access, so let's head over to the settings. Once you're there, click on the channel settings for your admin room, and you'll notice that there's a little lock icon next to the channel name. Click on that, and it'll restrict access to only your admins and moderators. Pretty neat, right? Next, don't forget to double-check your moderator room. You want to make sure you're not giving permissions to everyone by accident. Just like before, click the lock and ensure that only the moderators and admins can access it. Now, let's move on to setting up MEE6. For that, we're going to head to Google and search for MEE6. Once you're on the site, click the Add to Discord button and make sure to select the correct server. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and sign in, and then you'll be able to link MEE6 to your Discord server. Make sure you give the bot all the permissions it needs, so it can handle automating some tasks for you. After adding it, head over to your Discord server. You'll see a message in your general chat saying MEE6 just joined. You can click on it and change the settings if you'd like. Now, let's set up the welcome messages for new users. Back to MEE6's dashboard, go to the welcome section. We want to make sure new users get a warm welcome, so enable this feature. You can customize the message, or just keep it simple like, "Hey, welcome to the server." Once you've done that, click save and boom, you're done. Now, every time someone joins, they'll get greeted. But we're not done yet. Let's automate the role assignment for new members. Head over to the roles section and check the box to automatically assign a role to new members. Select the member role from the drop-down menu. If you get an error saying that MEE6 doesn't have permission, that means we need to give it a higher role in your server settings. Go into your server settings, then roles, and drag MEE6 to the top so it has permission to assign roles to users below it. Once that's done, you can save your changes and you're all set. Now let's set up notifications for when you go live on Twitch or post a new video on YouTube. In MEE6's dashboard, go to the Twitch or YouTube sections and connect your accounts. For Twitch, once connected, you can choose to have MEE6 automatically notify your server when you go live. You can customize the message too, like saying, "Hey, I'm live. Check out my stream." This helps keep your server engaged. For YouTube, do the same. Set it up so that every time you post a new video, MEE6 notifies everyone in your server with the video link. Again, it's all automated, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, let's add a music bot to your server. We're going to use Rhythm Bot for this tutorial. Just go to the website, click Add to Discord, and select the server you want to add it to. Once added, you'll see that Rhythm Bot automatically joins a voice channel whenever you play music. To play music, just type play song name in the text chat, and Rhythm Bot will search for the song on YouTube and start playing it. You can pause the song anytime or stop it altogether by typing stop. It's that simple. If you want to organize where people can make song requests, create a separate channel, like bot commands, so people know where to go to use the music bot. And that's a quick overview of how to set up your Discord server with roles, MEE6, and Rhythm Bot. You've got automated welcome messages, role assignments, and notifications set up for Twitch and YouTube, all while keeping everything organized. If you want to get more advanced, you can add custom commands or even enable premium features. But for now, this should set you up with the essentials. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to join my server for more tips and inspiration, the link's in the description. Alright, that's all for today. Peace.